If you want to keep track of your trucks, mowers, or other equipment all in one place, LawnPro has a dedicated section just for that. You can log everything from the purchase price to management schedules and maintenance schedules, so nothing falls through the cracks. In this video, we will show you how to add a new piece of equipment from start to finish. To get started, click on the Resource tab and then click Trucks and Equipment. You'll land on the Add New Truck and Equipment page. Let's go through all the fields. Start with the truck or equipment name. This is required, so give it something easy to recognize, like Ferris Zero Turn or Ford F25. Next, select the type from the drop-down. It defaults to miscellaneous, but you can choose whatever category fits. If you need to add a new type that isn't already in the list, just click the plus button to add one on the spot. Enter the model of the equipment, and then add the serial number or registration number. This is especially useful for warranty tracking or if equipment ever gets stolen. Next, select the supplier this equipment came from. If you've already added your supplier under Vendor and Suppliers, they'll show up here in the dropdown. If you need to add a new one quickly, click the plus button. Set the status. By default, it is set to in service, but you can change this if the equipment is out of service for repairs or is retired. Enter the date of purchase and the purchase price so you have a record of what you paid and when. Below, you'll see the maintenance due and maintenance cost fields. Use these to set when this piece of equipment is due for its next service and what you expect that maintenance to cost. This is a great way to stay on top of upkeep before something breaks down in the field. If the equipment is assigned to a specific crew, select them from the crew dropdown. This will fill in the employees that are in the crew. Next, you can also add custom fields for this equipment. You can add any notes in the note box. When everything is filled in, you can also add photos for this equipment. When everything is filled in, click the green Save Button Equipment button. This will add this equipment to your system. That's all it takes to add a truck or piece of equipment in LawnPro. Once it's saved, you'll have a full record of everything from purchase price to maintenance schedule all in one place.